Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery question coming from one of our fans named Helen, who wanted to know, what is a down payment assistance program, sometimes referred to as a DPA or reclassified and just kind of in jargon called a DAP. Now, a down payment assistance program is exactly what it sounds like. It's an assistance program to help you buy a house. So, for example, let's say you're buying a house with an FHA loan for 3.5% down. Your municipality, your county, a federal program, or some other type of government entity or nonprofit might have set aside a certain amount of money to assist with the down payment to help you, the buyer, get into the house. Sometimes these will be classified for people in a certain demographic or with a certain job, like a firefighter, a nurse, or a teacher, or sometimes they will be classified for anybody who qualifies until the money runs out. Now, here's the challenge with a down payment assistance program. Frequently, when I dig into the different programs, because there's hundreds of them, there's one from this Indian tribe, or this firefighter department, or this county, city, local municipality. Frequently, when I dig into these down payment assistance programs, there's some type of disqualifier for the client that's interested in it. Either you don't belong to the right demographic, or you don't have the correct job, or you make too much money, because usually these down payment assistance programs come with a limitation on the amount of earnings that you can have on the previous year's tax returns, or the program runs out of money, or the county's not doing it for some reason because the city has this other program. So by all means, if you see something with down payment assist, just take a screenshot, copy the link, email it to us. All of our contact information is below, and we can help parse through all the details of that DPA program and see if you actually qualify. I will tell you, more times than not, my clients are disappointed and we have to move back into an FHA loan with 3.5% down or a conventional loan with 5% down, but it's always worth doing the research, which I'm happy to help you with. And if we can help you with that loan, great. If not, we'll help you pick the other program that's best suited for you. So Scott Groves, Mortgage Mysteries, if you have any questions about getting a loan, evaluating a down payment assistance program, or seeing if you qualify for a DPA, leave a comment, shoot us an email, schedule some time on our Calendly. We're always here to help. And if for some reason you're buying in an area where we're not licensed, or if you're trying to get a DPA loan that maybe our company doesn't do, I have loan officers all over the country who we can refer you to make sure you get the help you need.